I'm Kora from Calculated Survival, and I'm here to talk to you guys today about our new item, the pocket chainsaw. Our pocket chainsaw has 33 bidirectional teeth, which makes for rapid cutting of different logs and wood. Let me show you. Basically, I just line up the teeth against the wood and make sure everything is even in line with each other, no twisting, and just go back and forth. And it makes a pretty clean cut through all the woods and trees too. Just pretty nice and helpful. This is a shelter building item that you're going to want in your survival pack. Get yours today.